E aí, pessoas que acompanham o canal, mano, vídeo hoje vai ser, não vai ser curto, mas vai ser curto que eu vou falar, tá ligado? Mano, foi uma partidinha básica, tá ligado? Ranqueada, joguei de AK e SVD, mano, a partida inteira. Fiz algumas kills, tá ligado? Joguei bem até de AK-47, mano. Uma arma que, tipo assim, eu já não usava há muito tempo. Eu não sei se vocês eita, eu não sei se vocês repararam, mas eu tô com um HUD de Instaplay, mano. Virei Instaplay. Tô com, acho que é botão de pular pra esquerda, tá ligado? E tô treinando, tô tentando evoluir com esse HUD. Demorou um pouco, mas agora eu tô quase, tá ligado? Tô quase bom, tô quase me acertando. Essa partida, tá ligado, foi apenas, sei lá, mano, apenas uma das partidas que eu tô jogando. Ultimamente eu tô me saindo assim nas partidas, tá ligado? Até que, tipo assim, não tô jogando tão bem, mas também não tô jogando tão mal. Se bem que essa partida não tava tão difícil, tá ligado? Mas eu até que subi uns capinha maneiro. E tipo assim, mano, se você gostar do vídeo, tá ligado? Gostou do começo, gostou da intro, gostou do conteúdo de cara assim, mano. Se tu já caiu de paraquedas, mano, tu já pega e deixa seu like, mano, se inscreva, demorou? Eu vou estar aqui colocando uma musiquinha porque eu não tenho muito o que falar e eu preciso treinar ainda hoje, tá ligado? Preciso subir rank, porque essa temporada eu nem foquei no mestre ainda. E eu não posso ficar muito tempo aqui, tá ligado? Então, é isso, família. Se tu gostar do vídeo, deixa o like, tá ligado? Se inscreve, compartilha aí se puder. Que eu vou estar deixando uma musiquinha aqui pra vocês, mano. Então, provavelmente o vídeo de Free Fire vai estar, tipo assim, eu vou estar deixando de trazer vídeo de Free Fire. Vou estar trazendo outro bagulho aqui, vou estar fazendo outro tipo de conteúdo. E não sei, mano. Vamos ver no que dá aí mais pra frente, então. Falou.
I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. All smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fly, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like that.
I like Scooby vibing though.
Everything is okay here. Everything is okay here. Everything is okay. Yeah. You can find me somewhere in Neverland, so high I'll never land. Forever young. We're in Neverland, so I'll never land. Reality, I erase that. Erase that. And bathe in the bluest water I ever seen. And this
Steady tryna maintain, same things that I love, my frame. My brain can't fathom what the hate say. He say, she say, how about me say, get the visa, had it to the mother's ASAP. What's that on my shorty wrist, that's an AP. I'm the type of save a whole CAPE, feeling like an ET, flying out of the attic, talking to shorty, she better, cause she was combing the attic. I mean, I'm better than better, maybe I'm lying, I'm sadder than most of y'all, with the money and the freedom, nigga. What is money really worth if it ain't love? I'ma find a perfect balance, it'll take time. I heard shorty still in love through the grapevine. I heard shorty still in love through the grapevine. I heard shorty still in love through the, yeah. It's a little bit of weed with a little bit of cash, with a little bit of this, with a little bit of that. We gon' be up, we gon' be up, we gon' be up, we gon' be up. It's a little bit of weed with a little bit of cash, with a little bit of that. Love scars can't go far. care? Do you care? Yeah. Do you care? Yeah. Hey, hiding my pain, there's poison in my veins. Ay, going insane, the lack.
She left me sad and sober, falling fast on a roller coaster. Me, well, I'm bipolar, so many friends, but I'm still a loner.
She left me sad and sober, falling fast down a roller coaster. Me, well, I'm bipolar, so many friends, but I'm still a loner. She left me sad and sober, falling fast down a roller coaster. Me, well, I'm bipolar, so many friends, but I'm still a loner.
Did you mean it when you told me that you hated me? I didn't see it back then, and now I know that you was breaking me piece by piece, and I swear that you forsaken me. I'm coughing up blood, cause your grip just strangled me.
How can you miss someone that you've never met? Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. And I've been trying my best, but I can't accept that you feel better in somebody else's bed. Find me soon, cause I'm in my head. And I need you like I said, I need you like I need my bed. And I've been losing all my sleep, and I've been losing.
Let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you for the day life. I can take your pain, pain away. Let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight, spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind, damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life, damn life. Go back to the store where we had it all, sipping Hennessy, going through it all. I know you don't want love. Now I know you've had enough. Heartbroken, yeah, your strings are sprung. They want you, said they were the one. Oh, let me take you to the spot.